All right, again, I should have started videotaping before I started doing all this work here. But I'm making a frame for this cabinet door that's going to cover our breaker box downstairs, and I should have made this door to myself, but this is before I started doing all this and having time for this. But I got this pre-manufactured door made in Wisconsin. It's from Menards here. Pretty cheap actually. 3 hinges that I've got. It's all painted, and I'm making this frame here to go around the opening, and then the door is going to mount to the frame here. And I've got a pocket hole jig that I joined these boards together using this method. Screws through holes like this and glue. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just rounding these edges off and sanding this all down. And I know this is different sizes here, but I need a 2-inch for my hinge, and I just need a 1-inch reveal all the way around this thing, which I'm doing here. So we're sanding down, but I love my old vintage tools. I got my vintage Porter Cable router here that I'm rounding those edges down, and I've got my 1957 Chevy table saw that I refurbed here a little bit. I love this thing. And that's what I've got right now. And I'll start, I'll do another video when I get the thing installed. All right, here's our product we're making. This is where the face frame went. I call it the face frame. So I got my frame that I made around the opening here for the fuse box. And this is our door. We got it mounted here. So this is the frame I made. Just a poplar. And I painted it, and we got it all together. Got the hinges mounted, which was a problem. Make sure if you're doing this, get the right kind of hinges for this door. These were the wrong hinges, as you can see here. The screw wouldn't work here, so I didn't want to run back to Menards, so I made custom inserts here to my screws would attach. And I'm just putting the last couple. I've got screws actually on this side right behind my hinges, so I'd cover that up. And on this side I'm just going to run a trim nail, maybe like 3 into the stud right here, and I probably won't even fill the holes just because it's going to be covered here by that. And that's all we're trying to do is just make a nice door that cover that fuse panel in the spare bedroom down in the basement here. So let me see if I can prop this up. Alright, I just put 3 nails in, and might have been covered up there, but I put 3 in, and I probably will fill these because it's a little farther over than I was thinking, just so this will have to be nice covered up. Yeah, so they're exposed. So I'll just fill these in and touch up paint, and I'm just gonna caulk all the way around this just to make it a nice clean look, and that's it. I did make a mistake here. Even no matter how many times you measure, for whatever reason I had these hinges ½ inch off, so when this door closed I didn't have the 1-inch reveal going all the way around here. It was all offset over to this side and it looked horrible in my opinion. So there we go, finished product.